Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Alfredo sauce pasta. Start by gathering all ingredients and prepping cheese, butter, cream, garlic, and pasta. Work steadily so the sauce emulsifies and does not separate. Taste and adjust salt and pepper as you go. Finish with fresh parsley and grated cheese, then plate and serve hot for the best creamy Alfredo experience. Gather 12 oz pasta, 1 cup heavy cream, 4 tablespoon butter, and 1 cup Parmesan. Heat water, salt generously, and cook pasta until just al dente. Reserve 1 cup pasta water before draining. While pasta cooks, melt butter gently and soften garlic without browning. This prep keeps everything moving quickly when you combine sauce and pasta, so you end up with a velvety, clingy Alfredo that coats each noodle. If this guide is helping you, please like and subscribe for more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes kitchen cleanups effortless and frees time for cooking. It even finds crumbs you miss, which is great after pasta night. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab one, you'll thank yourself later. Now let's get back to the video. Sauté garlic in melted butter just until fragrant, then pour in heavy cream and simmer on low. Remove from heat before adding Parmesan to prevent graininess, whisking until smooth. Use reserved pasta water to loosen sauce, adjusting for consistency. Return pasta to the pan and toss for 1 to 2 minutes so sauce clings evenly. Finish with cracked pepper and parsley, then serve immediately for ideal texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.